Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe, Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. On today's video, I'm smoking some salmon on my Yoder Flattop, and I'm going to top it off with a fresh mango salsa. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to go over the ingredients. Obviously we have the salmon, but I've got some lemon that I've sliced up here. I've got some rosemary, I've got some cilantro, I've got 2 serrano peppers, a couple of Roma tomatoes, a small onion, and a fresh mango. That's for the salsa. So as far as the salmon, I'm going to put this on some cedar planks. I'm going to slice this into even portions. Obviously this is going to be a little bit smaller here on this side, but I'm going to make that a portion in itself, just like that. And the rest of these, I'm going to make some fairly large portions. My daughter and my wife absolutely love when I smoke some salmon. So these are some pretty nice portions here. Just like that. Okay, so this is already skinned. In fact, there's no skin, no bones on the salmon, just the way I like it. The rubs that I'm going to use today, I'm just going to do one and show you how I'm going to put this on my cedar plank. So I've got some garlic jalapeno seasonal. That's my first rub. Just a light coating on both sides. Man, this is a beautiful salmon. All right, my second rub is a honey rub from Victory Lane Barbecue, again on both sides. Just like that. Beautiful. Then for my third rub, again, this is my daughter's favorite, peach rub from Victory Lane Barbecue. Just like that. Not a whole lot of rub. Just like that. Okay. Now I've got some cedar planks that I've been soaking in water for about 2 hours now. So I'm just going to grab one, put it on the cedar plank itself. Okay. Just like that. We're going to put some couple wedges of lemon, just like that, and some rosemary. Let me use my knife here. Just like that. And that is it. So I'm going to get the rest of these done exactly like this, and I'll see you guys outside at the smoker. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're outside at my Yoder Flattop. As far as the charcoal that I'm using B&B lump charcoal, and then I put 2 chunks of oak wood on top of that, and that's going to give us our smoke. You can see the layout there. I'm going to go ahead and close the lid. The temperature that I'm going to shoot for is 275 degrees. Then we'll check on them. The internal temperature that I'm going to shoot for is 145 degrees on the salmon. So that should take us maybe 30 minutes or so. If it happens any sooner, I'll bring you guys back as soon as I am about to pull them off so you guys can see what they look like. So stay tuned. Alright, so I went ahead and made my mango salsa, and what I did is I cut up the entire mango, the 2 serrano peppers, that small onion, the tomato. I went ahead and went with 1 tomato instead of 2 tomatoes because that 1 tomato was enough. And then a little bit of cilantro, added a pinch of salt to it, and this is what we look like. And I squeezed a whole lemon into this as well. So really nice colors. I'm going to go ahead and leave this in the fridge and wait for that salmon to finish smoking. So stay tuned. Alright, so the salmon is ready, and the total cook time was 45 minutes at 275 degrees. Now the temperature was jumping between 260 275. So 45 minutes, and I got this beautiful looking salmon here. Look at this. Just looks absolutely amazing. The smell is amazing. I've got some rice that my wife made. I've got some of the mango salsa that we made as well. And I've got some bread with a little bit of butter. And we're going to give this a taste here. Let me just take the lemons off and the rosemary off. And my daughter absolutely loves salmon, so she's going to join in on this taste test. So come on over here, baby. I'm going to try some with the mango salsa. She's just going to try the salmon as is. Here we go. Grab your fork, baby. Oh, you want it on a big piece. So I'm going to grab some of this salsa here. the salmon. I got some of the serranos in there, some of the mango. Here we go. Cheers. Oh man. Want a bit more, baby? Grab another piece. So flaky. So tender. My mouth is watering. Amazing. Guys, those rubs work really well together. Really moist. The garlic jalapeno, give it a little bit of bite. Can you taste that garlic jalapeno at the end there? A little bit? So good. Guys, again, this only took 45 minutes, so it's a quick meal. Doesn't take a whole lot of time, but the smoke flavor that the flat top put on this salmon is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Give this a shot. Ask any questions. Till next time, Joe at Smokin Joe Spit Barbecue. See you guys.